If you can believe it, this is a guitar. As you know, I try to blend my love for guitar and nature together for your entertainment on YouTube. I'm really hoping that this thing helps with that, so let's see what we got here. Comes in this nice case. That's going in my kayak, no problem. So this is made by a company called Batking. We've got patch cord, tremolo bar. That's right, this thing has a tremolo on it. Man, that is so cool. Just look at this. Headless 6-string guitar with a floating tremolo bridge. Has tap coil on the pickups. How sick is that? I'm not sure where the pickup exactly is. It's just labeled, I believe, as a high output humbucker. So we'll see what that's like. This is supposed to be one solid piece of Canadian maple, so that's kind of cool. Like, it's just one piece of wood. So I read some reviews about this strap knob up here, making it difficult to hold and play. Frets look nice. I'm not sure what this little arm is about. Oh, that actually locks it in place. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You can lock this bridge. That's awesome. Let's tune this thing up a bit. It's kind of a little bit weird to hold on to, but I expected that. Where's the body, you know? That's really not the point of this guitar at all. This is straight up the portability. The bar just pops down in there. Hey, not bad. This holds too. So there you have it, folks. It's the Batking Headless 6-string travel electric guitar.